To operate the washing machine, make sure that the main switch is on. Open the lid. Put this close inside and close. Open this cover. Put the soap inside and close. Twist this knob to turn on the washing machine. Twist the knob to select the program. Once you have selected the program, press this play button right here. Washing machine will lock. Once the timer stops, you can turn off the washing machine by putting it back to its main position. Close the lid and turn off the washing machine by pressing this main switch.